Hi guys, attend tayo ngayon sa Learn to Trade sa Forex. Guys, okay, samahan nyo ako, so stay tuned. So what's your name, sir?
Hi, my name is Brycan Dayaw and I am one of the Forex educator for Learn to Trade. I've been doing trading since October 2018.
Yes, sir.
And ngayon ko lang na-realize dito sa class ngayon sa Apari that I've been trading na pala for 1 year.
Okay,
I started last year and next year my plan is to retire. Not retire sa earning money but retire to actually employment. I realized that I've been employed for 13 years and if I'm doing this for the next 14th year, parang walang magbabago. So what I did is to look for other baskets, and just to mind you, Forex is not just the basket, okay? There are a lot of investment there. There's a lot of skills that you can actually learn. But for me, it was Forex kasi you can only set up your trade for 2 hours a day.
Okay.
That's the maximum, and then you're good to go.
So
Yeah.
why you are bakit nyo na-recommend na Forex compare sa iba sa ating mga viewers, sir?
Okay, one major thing that Learn to Trade actually want is to give Forex or bring Forex to the masses. That's the first one. Why am I actually recommending Forex trading? Forex trading kasi is you follow whatever the movement of the bank. If you can't beat the bank, what do?
Yes.
That's right. You join them, right? So Forex is as easy as 1, 2, 3 if you have the correct strategies and you have the correct mentor. Sobrang madali lang siya because you don't really need a lot of math. Marunong ka mag addition, subtraction, and division, multiplication even. If you know how to do that, then you're good to go. Anong difficulty, di ba?
Yes.
So there's no excuse na walang Filipino na hindi siya matututo ng Forex.
Okay, sir.
Watch out to our future free sems and see you there, guys. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello guys, so tapos na tayo sa ating pag-attend doon sa Learn to Trade at marami tayong natutunan guys sa free workshop na yon, introduction sa Forex trading. So guys, yun napanood natin yung ating speaker, siya po yung nagsalita kanina, siya yung speaker doon kanina. Alright? So ngayon guys, Forex talaga is one of passive guys, passive. If you are my viewers at if you want to learn more about Forex, so for me, I recommend guys to attend Learn to Trade near you. So sila guys, umiikot yata sila sa buong Pilipinas. Okay, kasi nasa extreme north ako pero they're coming here and then in-explain nila kung ano yung meron sa Forex. Okay, so ito yung mga konting natutunan ko dun sa Forex. So it's about ito yung maling mindset ko before nung narinig ko ang Forex. Akala ko noon risky. Okay? At ang alam ko noon, ang Forex is technical, as in sobrang mahirap. Okay? So sa pagpapaliwanag nila guys, ang tingin ko is hindi naman siya mahirap. Okay? So kailangan mo lang talagang mag-exert ng effort para mas maintindihan mo yung Forex. So, okay, so ipapakita lang ako sa inyo guys. So ito yung mga binigay nilang handout sa amin. So ito mga yan. Then okay, so ito yung binigay sa akin. So babasahin natin. At dito guys, nagsulat din ako. Okay, so about Forex. So guys, lahat ng mga maling thinking ko before about Forex, so naliwanagan sa pag-attend ko ng free workshop na to na Forex 101. Okay, so guys, pwede pala ito guys, if you are watching at nasa ibang bansa ka, you can go to their website. So siguro learn to basahin ko na lang, hindi ko na lang isusulat kasi baka makakuan tayo, technical tayo. Okay, so learn to trade Saan ba yun? Okay, learntotrade.com.ph. Yan po yung kanilang website. Okay, so you can also reach yung speaker. So ilalagay ko yung information niya dyan sa description. If you want to ask sa kanila, okay, you can ask them kung ano yung about Forex. But for me guys, pwede nating isabay yun, or pwede nating isang source of pwede nating gawin na isang source of income or second income yung Forex. Pero dapat pag-aralan mo. Okay? So, dapat magbigay ka rin ng time para mapag-aralan mo, at guys, pwede ka rin kumita dito sa Forex. Okay? So, even if you're employed, unemployed, self-employed, OFW guys, pwede nyong gawin, or pwede nyo pong isabay yung Forex, kasi just simply iset mo lang, okay, and then okay, may lahat guys may risk, kasi baka tatanungin mo ako, so risky ba ang Forex? Of course, merong risk. Lahat ng bagay, lahat ng mga investment may risk. Okay, so marami kang matututunan. Alright, so kanina dun sa aking pag-attend, so all work, parang iba't iba yung mga background namin. So pero lahat yon interested magkaroon ng extra income or passive income, or siguro magkaroon ng idea about foreign exchange. Alright, so guys, what can I advise sa inyo ay, so kung merong learn to trade workshop dyan sa area nyo na makikita nyo, kasi ako guys, nakita ko yung kanilang advertisement sa Facebook. So usually yata ginagamit talaga nila is Facebook para malaman nila na gumagamit ka na talaga ng internet, kasi hindi mo malalaman, or hindi mo malalaman yung kanilang workshop kapag hindi ka nanood sa internet, kasi yun ang ginamit nilang medium para ma-reach ka, or ma-reach yung mga possible na mga student nila para turuan ng Forex. Alright, so yun lang ang aking mai-share for today guys. Okay, so sana nagkaroon ng value yung panonood nyo. Okay, so guys, if you're new pala dito, so we can subscribe sa aking channel at i-on nyo yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag may bago ako in-upload ng video. Guys, my channel is all about how to make money online. Okay, so yun lang ang aking mai-share for today. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next YouTube video. Bye-bye!